Hi, welcome. Let us see the assignment related to Fire and Ice, the poem written by Robert Frost. Name the poet of the poem Fire and Ice. Just now I told you. The poem Fire and Ice is composed by Robert Frost. What are the two destructive forces? Fire and ice are two destructive forces according to the poet. What are two different views about the end of the world in the poem Fire and Ice? The two different views of people regarding the end of the world are fire and ice, which are metaphors for desire and hatred. Right? Fire stands for desire, ice stands for hatred. What does the poet think about the end of the world? The poet thinks about the end of the world that people think fire is the main cause of destruction. But by the end of the poem, he says that both fire and ice are equally destructive. Both have the same power of causing destruction. Right? Let it be desire or hatred. Both they have same effect. They are destructive. What do fire and ice symbolize in the poem? Already we saw. Fire and ice are symbolized here. They are symbols of destruction. Fire, fire stands for desire. Ice stands for hatred. In detail, if you see, fire stands for conflict, fury, intolerance, insensitivity, while ice stands for greed, avarice, lust, rigidity, coldness, indifference, and hatred. These are all destructive forces, right? How can fire destroy the world? Fire symbolizes passion and hatred. It will lead to conflict and ultimately result in the destruction of the world. Fire represents desire, that is fervent, consuming, always wanting more, right? What is the central idea of the poem? The poet presents two possibilities about the end of the world. It will be either due to fire or ice. He prefers the first as he believes the world will end in fire but not in ice. How does the rhyme scheme help in bringing out the contrasting ideas in the poem? Right? The rhyme scheme brings out the contrasting ideas and separates them beautifully. How? Fire, desire, hate, great. The end sound, right? Of these two words. They are matching, so they are rhyming words. Twice, ice. Ice, suffice. This way, the poet brings out the truth about fire and ice. They are, as I told you already, they are symbols of desires and desire and hatred. Both are destructive as fire and ice are destructive. Hope you understood this assignment. Please go through again, replay the video, right? Write and practice. Okay. God bless you. Thank you.